Alright guys, so if you need to factory reset your Westinghouse Roku TV without the remote, whether you're connecting to a new Wi-Fi or your remote is kind of missing, let's see how to do it with one hidden physical button. So depending on your TV model, the reset button is usually located on the back of the TV, either on the left or the right side. So in our case, it's this tiny pinhole right under these first two HDMI input ports with a reset labeled next to it. So now you gotta grab a pen or a SIM ejector tool, paper clip, or any similar object that fits into that pinhole without damaging it. So when the TV is powered on, just go ahead, press and hold this reset button with that for exactly 15 seconds. Now be careful not to hold it longer than that, as doing so may boot the TV into recovery mode instead of performing a standard factory reset. Now after 15 seconds, release the button. Once it's finished, the TV will boot into the guided setup screen, where you can set it up just like a brand new TV. That's all for today. See you at the next one.